I thought I'd show you here how to stitch two finished patterns together. So what I've done is I've just bent over the edge, and of course you can trim this if you wish, and I've pinned it in place. And yes, you can pin this just like fabric, and you can also iron it too if you want to. The glass beads don't mind the iron at all. So I've got that in place, and then I've also done the same to my other, and then I'm going to put them both wrong sides together, so you can always trim the canvases later. And then you see I'm going to line them up nicely, and if you wish you could then pin them together as well as one, and I will do that just quickly. And pin down this side and another pin on this side, just to make sure that they're held together. It's no big deal. Now I've made sure that I've lined my beads up, and I've brought my thread up, and I've got a little needle up from under the canvas with a little knot, sorry, and then I'm coming out here. Then I'm just going to take my needle straight across so that I'm pretty well just sort of stitching them in place. Now I'll add 2 beads onto my thread, and then what I'm going to do is, if you see, I'm coming across here to this next box, and I'm just going straight across again, and then there we go, I've got 2 beads in place. Now I add on 2 more beads, and again I'm going to come across the box and into the next one and add 2 beads, and again the same, and I'll just continue along this way right down the side of just across the boxes like that. And you see it's just adding 2 beads across that gap. Now I've used blue thread, but you could use white thread, you won't see the thread. It's really up to you. I think sometimes if you add in the blue thread it just helps a bit. Okay, one more. So you can see I'm just literally filling in the gaps with beads. Now I'll just show you when I open it out. Now I'm using a different colour bead so you can actually see where I'm doing it. There we go, straight across. And just make sure, you see they're sitting nice and flat with each other. I'll do one more and then I'll open it out and you can see what we've got. Oops. Okay. So if I just undo this, and I'll lay it out for you. Obviously I've only done a little bit, but you can see the beginnings of it where I've got a really nice joinless seam happening there. I mean, you can see it's different colour beads, so you can see where I've done it, and you can see obviously where I would have to continue, but that's how basically you join up with beads.